Hello and welcome back by popular demand to another set of Godot's top tutors. Coming up is a list of active YouTubers giving their time to teach you Godot. Firstly, Dcode. If you're in a hurry and want no nonsense content and you're done with Wide Arch Shark, then go and check out Dcode. He has loads of straight to the point tutorials, from UI menus to shaders. He's a smorgasbord of useful tips condensed into very easy to digest videos. Go and give him a look. That's Dcode. 16-bit Dev. Now 16-bit Dev puts out slightly longer but very complete tutorials. This is a YouTuber that doesn't do any talking, at least not on the videos I've watched, but plays some very chill music while you watch. I normally don't like tutorials without any narration, but the videos are short enough and specific enough to make it easy to follow along. I particularly love the duck hunt tutorial, brings back a lot of memories. Showing us just over 2,000 subs at the minute, which is crazy for a YouTuber this good. That's 16-bit Dev. Coding Quests. Coding Quests has been putting out videos for years. His videos range from very short 1-minute quick tips to monster 5-hour videos. A lot of the time I think he'd benefit from a bit of editing on the larger tutorials. But still, he's spending a lot of time pushing out useful content and you'd be crazy not to head over to his channel and try out some of his tutorials. That's Coding Quests. Mr. Ellip Teach. Here's a guy who looks to be getting back into creating Godot videos again, and I hope he really does get back into it because he's great. He puts a lot of effort into the final product and I think it makes for a really enjoyable viewing experience. His strength, I think, is in the UI side of Godot. His tutorials are leaning more towards the intermediate Godot user, so once you've got the hang of Godot, let Mr. Ellip Teach take you to the next level. That's Mr. Ellip Teach. StayatHomeDev. This guy is the complete package. Alongside Godot tutorials, he also highlights games created in Godot, projects in Godot, and anything Godot related, to be honest. He puts out videos regularly and they're short and to the point. He's already massive, and if you watch any of his tutorials you'll see why. Definitely one to subscribe to. That's StayatHomeDev. And that's it for this instalment. Links to the channels are in the description below. If you'd like to see more of this, please be sure to like, subscribe and comment. See ya!